We be playing. We will be starting our own Squid Game. Our first Squid Game. Okay. Get some more wool. I have some wool. Okay, I'll do wool. So bubbles, paint, edited, add number. Okay, that's nice. Pick up the base. Statue target. Wait for a player. Now give the base to the player. Okay. If you die, that's not my fault, bro. Okay, I will leave. Is that a people or what? Okay. Let's do this. What is this picture? Yeah. So the music is like, I don't know what kind of music is that. Okay, like that, and then like that. I will make 10 best. So you guys better watch out. Five more to go. It is really nice. I'm just skipping.
Hoy, tadi nombor kalau dia apa dia? Bukan tanya tadi dikata tadi Bapak Lambit. Apa yang tusuk kamu Pak Lambit? Semurat?
You need some wool. Is this a public or a little private? Because it looks like a private without any people. It's only 2 people. Me and this other girl or boy, I don't know. Two more to I mean one more to go. Later. Okay. How will I ever English? What do you mean how? Bro, hurry up. I have more customers waiting. Hurry, bro. I have customers waiting. Get out. Get out. Get out. No one is literally kidding you. So just get out. Okay, hey. Oh, hi, I want to work out. Oh, thanks. Thanks. Okay. That is good. This is good, baby. Don't you guys dare. I definitely believe, bro. All you can think about is depth, wow. Right, I need to add wool. Need to, bro. Get the wool, get the wool, get the wool. Is that my little friend? Who's this? Oh, I know now. Yeah, I'm the, oh, VIP. I'm sorry, for making you wait. Yeah, I'm not going home. What do you mean, sir? You need to go home.
No, di ba nakagakitas mo?
Okay, why can't I see my money? Okay, why can't, oh, my money is 19. Bro, I have 9. Oh. Hi. Here you go, bro. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, can you? Hey, wake up. Hey, wake up. Bro, if you sleep to Kuya Gab, then I will kill you, okay? Okay, someone go here before I reach it. Yeah. Just come here. I have played this game as a kid, okay, but this one, you're gonna die, okay? This one is gonna make you die. Oh. Yeah, no. There's no way. Bro, just sleep there because I am trying to do this.
Ate, magdilig mo yun.
Oh,
Kaya, mabilan niya eh.
this. Okay. Give me my money. I love money, okay? Huh? You come from here? Out of nowhere, okay. Cool. Okay, cool. They not awake. Cool. I have two workers that that are twins. Wow. Join? What do you mean? Don't stop. Join. Join. Okay. Oh. I wish Thanos was here. What do you mean? You want Thanos here? Yeah, no. There's no way. Okay, two people come at the same time. At least it is in glass bridge. Well, you are correct.
Miss kayo. Saya din makadjay.
I wish Thanos was there. Did you just explode? Did you just explode?
Marami. Kakalaigan.
What the? I'm sorry for making you wait, sir. This looks kinda fun. So trust me, you will die if you lose. I am telling you, sir. Let count your days. What player are you, bro? Tweet. Because I don't even know. Bro, wake up! Bro, wake up! Bro, wake up! Bro, wake up! That's what I thought. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thanos! They just said I wish Thanos was here and Thanos actually appeared. I don't even know to say hi, Thanos. I wish Thanos was here. Bro, what do you mean Thanos? I wish Thanos was here. You're little Thanos. You're the little Thanos. And you're saying, I wish Thanos was here. Even though you're Thanos. Wow. These dum-dums. Like that. Best is looking good. I'm gonna give. Give me the money. Give me the best. Okay, get the best. Come here. No, you can't. You can't, bro. Here you go, sir. I'm running up on business. Final go to my family who's 13. Wake up!
Oy, di ka pa nakasukat mo babae.
Bro, don't do that to me, okay? Who are you? Huh? Who are you? oil. Yeah, like that. Okay, I have little twins here. Like 2 twins. Okay, let me just
Tawagan, tawagan.
give me that, give me that, give me that. Just wait, bro.
Connecting man.
And get your wool, get your wool, get your wool. Want any wool? Only want the blue best. Okay, get your blue best. Get your blue best, old man. Get your blue best here. Blue best here. Blue best here. Who wants a blue vest? Someone got a blue vest. Achin joined the game. Oh. You mean, bro, you should just give me 100. Here you go, sir. This game looks a little hard. Sir, this is serious hard. 28 of it. Here you go, sir. I'm going to focus player to play level 100. I don't like him. Okay. So what, bro? No. I am little so sorry, sir, for not giving you a blue vest. Blue vest. Free blue breast. I have a lot of blue vests, guys. Is that a baby? Player 456. Hi, one more game of. Oh. Bro is. Bro, not player 4. Not Gihan being here. Like, bro. I have a blue vest. Who wants one? I said who wants one? Ah. Gihan's brother wants one. Let me just look my inverter. Anyways, here you go, and then put this here, put that, and do there, get the thing.
Just di kami nagsukat
Yes.
Yes.
AFK invite. back, guys. There you go. Go. There you go. Get me a blue vest. Okay, I need 2 more to fill my inventory. So let's get 2 more. 1, 2. Here you go. Here you go, Gifford. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Who are you? But I will just give you one. Oh, hi, sir. Here you go, sir. Oh, you again, bro? You want to play again? Here you go, Gihon. No. No, you have to keep the baby, not the best. Hi, Gihon again. If I die, tell my cat I love her. Really a cat? But that's sweet though, for sure. Like that's also sweet. Hi, sir. You will give me 1,000 cash and I will let you in. Make more bets. They want to get 5, get more bets. Bro, stop. I didn't tell you to do that to them. What, you're a player? You're a player? I will... Hello, sir. Give me 1,000 tip and I will let you in. Oh. Okay. So this is fun. Hi, Thanos. Easy. 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 Oops. RIP bro by Thanos. Wow, by a real doll to kawaii player 4 cards. I played this game before, okay? 8, 9, 10. Okay, I can have 10 in my 10 little 10 items. Hi, Gihon! Do not trust anyone that has pink socks. Who has pink socks anyways? You are. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Oh, 2 gihons, okay. Hi, girl. Hi, K196. Oh, me, I'm gonna look. Pretend I didn't notice that. Oh my god. Eh? By pillar, I won. What else? Destiny 4. Oh my god. Our red best? Bro, wait, I haven't even put any wool. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, they're all wanting for red. But I'm telling you, I don't have any red. Bro, then leave if you don't want it. Still generating money. Elisegin, thank you. Bubblegum room? Oh my god. They're all wanting for red. Stop. You can't do that. You right. Have any money? Help me. Buy new game. Oh yeah, no. Bro, hurry up and make our money. Hurry up, I need money. thing. Make money. Oop. It's a Kito. Hi, Gino. Gino. Okay. I guess I have to do nothing with this color blue things. Red best. Get this out. Shade it with red best. Like that, yeah. Okay, here you go, sir. Would you work so? Oh, the manager is Akito, and the one speaking more is also Akito. That's weird. Ah, China! Oop! Let him kicking her butt. But guys, I will grind here, and if you want part 2, then like and subscribe. Bye.